guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today in this very important video we're going to understand that what is RSI, relative strength index, the full form of it, and it is one of the most important indicator which is used by most of the professional trader also. So in this particular video we're going to understand it, what is RSI and how you can took place your trade on the basis of RSI. So I have to give you a disclaimer about it because we were talking about indicators. So indicator just to give us the indication of the price could move there, or the price could fall from here, or the price could rise from here, but it never gives you the confirmation of it. It it never tells you that the price will be going here. It never tells you by the order kind of sense. So it just give you the indications that the price could be possibly move here because of the previous data research or analysis, and most of the traders have used it, and they have find it most useful also. So that is why RSI and MACD and VWAP and EMA, these are the most used indicator for amongst all the traders itself, right? So back to our topic. So if I will show you that you have to just click here indicator sections and search about the RSI, or you can type here the relative strength index. So this is relative strength index. Let me just put on my chart, and here is my chart of the 15-minute. Let me switch into 5-minute chart and let me enable the VWAP. If you haven't watched the video of VWAP, make sure that you watch the previous video which I have been talking about what is VWAP, right? So here you will see the RSI 14, and you shouldn't have to change anything else here, and you should have to keep it like RSI 14 ही रखने दो. Okay, and the SMS, everything is perfectly fine, right? So here is it. You will see on the screen when you plot your RSI, right? So what is that set? Basically, here you will see this is a greenish position, and if you look back, this is a reddish position, this is a reddish position. So just understand one thing, that this okay, what's that happen? Oh my gosh, I have to do it. No. uh Let me give some second. I don't know what it is happening. I think it is some kind of a glitch or something else, so give me 1 second. Okay, let me switch into the BTC chart, and here is our chart, and let me exit this. Okay, let me delete this and search here about the RSI, relative strength index. As your screen you can see. So what I'm telling you, that if the position or the candle is the greenish position, so that tells us that is a overbought zone, and the price could possibly fall from here. And similarly, when you will see this red kind of position, so that tells us this is a oversold zone, and possibly there could be a bullish signal, as you can see on the screen. So basically, when the when this line, this purple line and this yellow line are this अगर नीचे से ये ऊपर तक जाता है, and if it's crossovers, and that becomes a buy signal for us, and if it crossed from the upside to downside, that becomes a sell signal for us, right? So you can back testing it. And one of the most important thing which I have told you, that when the position is, as your screen you can see that this red position, this red position, this red position, that becomes a, that tells us the story of this is a oversold zone, and price could actually move upside from here. Okay, so you can use your RSI as a example of it. Like this is a over bought zone and the price could possibly fall from here. So that is not important that the price is actually falling, and that is actually telling us RSI is most useful indicator, right? So if I will try to show you the, oh, it's just changed, right? So this line is I don't know how it has happened. So here, so if I will show you the, yes, the definition of it. So it says the RSI relative strength index is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and strength price movement on a scale from 0 to 100. So this is the scale of 0 to 100. If you can see that, if I will show you on right now chart. So this is the positions of 20 and ये सबसे नीचे है 0 and this is the highest positions of 100, right? So if you extend it, so you can measure it like that. Okay. So this is the scale of 100 and oversold. Traders overbought or oversold. Generally, RSI above 70 indicates the stock may be overbought, while RSI below 30 suggests it may be oversold. Traders use RSI to spot potential trend reversal, confirm trades, and identifying possible buying or selling opportunities. So when the RSI gives us that this is a over bought a zone and the price could possibly fall from here, so I will potentially on the basis of RSI I will sell here, right? And if the price is kind of that kind of zone, so I will possibly buy from here. So if I will buy from here, so you can see that the profit of mine is huge. And if similarly if I will sell from here, so you can see that my profit is also can be used. Okay, so 80 to 70% to 80% of the time the market is on the sideways and RSI gives you the trade within sideways. Okay, so similarly in that case, that is a oversold position for us. If you see accurately, this is the oversold position for us, and the RSI gives you the signal of buying signal, because I have told you when the price is on a oversold zone, then there is a possibility that the price could to move upward. If that is a oversold zone, that gives you the bullish signal, and if the price is on the overbought zone, that is gives you the bearish signal, right? So if you buy from here, then you can capture this profit. Okay, and similarly this is the trade. So that is something, a trade, that is a strategy, but there is no strategy have the 100% probability of winning rate or hitting rate. Every strategy have its own flaw. You have to use all of this strategy according to it, according to your personality, according to your back testing data, everything about on you, right? So I hope you get it. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. So I will definitely try to answer your question. I will see you on the next video. Bye.